Hello, everyone. My name is Pankaj Kumar, and I am working as a Principal Product Manager with Data Production Group at Veritas. In my last video that was focused on After IT Analytics 10.5, I promised that I'll create my next video on the new release of After 10.6 and discuss what is new with this version. So here I am with Rajiv Mankar, Principal Product Manager for After IT Analytics. He will give us a high-level insight into what is new with After 10.6. Hello, Rajiv, and thank you so much for joining this session.
Hey Pankaj, and greetings to everyone. Thank you so much for having me over to this video series. Looking forward for this exciting talk on Aptar IT Analytics.
This is great, Rajiv. So, Rajiv, could you please talk about why should a customer upgrade or use After IT Analytics 10.6?
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Pankaj. So as you all know, Aptar is a cloud-based IT analytics platform that provides unique correlated insights across any cloud, any storage, and data protection solutions. The platform will provide a single pane of glass into the customer's environment, working to give actionable insights, IT operations, and all the way up to a CXO level. When it comes to IT analytics platform, taking a consolidated approach is the only effective way to manage the operational diversity. And talking about Aptar 10.6, the investment or the focus area are primarily into three areas in 10.6. The user experience, primarily to accelerate the time to value, agnostic collection, which gives you an unparalleled visibility into the data protection, storage, cloud, understanding how and what is being protected and how you can optimize, how you can mitigate risk for all of the subsystems what we support. Constant endeavor to for the security requirements, which comes as an updated feature which you need to keep on adding into our product. Under the user experience, we have come up with some high value out of dashboards, primarily focusing on the ransomware attacks, especially for the data protection solutions, alerting storage optimization dashboards, inventory dashboards, and net backup workload, which gives you a picture of different backup policies with what front end terabytes they have. We have enhanced the supportability log collection, which helps our troubleshooting for our support guys, and also enhanced the automated host collection, and also introduced the enhanced health check reports, which will give you a picture of the health of your Aptar IT Analytics. We have improved our branding and user interface with following the Veritas design language, which is in par with any other Veritas products. The installation and deployment, which used to take a lot of time, has now reduced to less than 30 minutes under VMware using the OEF file. And we are also on the cloud marketplaces like Azure, which will help you to deploy Aptar less than 3 minutes. And of course, we have enhanced our licensing mechanism by introducing Slick. As I talked about agnostic collection, we have introduced new collectors to collect data and give you the insights to those subsystems like the IBM COS, the old Veritas SAS backup, which is primarily the Keepit, and EMC PowerFlex, which was earlier called as Scale IO. We have revamped the connectors for Brocade SAN switch, Hitachi connectors or storage systems using the REST APIs, which will help you to get rid of the SMIS based connectors like the BNA connectors. We have recertified under our proliferation effort to qualify new subsystems like the vSphere, Networker, Avamar, and HP Primera, and adding new features with respect to the net backup data collection to have the VMware intelligent policies insights, the net backup file level, item level collection data, which is out of the backup catalogs, and of course the host collection. And as I said, we are with the latest security and compliance requirements like the PKI, two-factor authentication sticks, and the latest FIPS encryption methodologies.
This is great, Rajiv, and it's really helpful for our customers to make a decision on why to upgrade to or go ahead with Aptar IT Analytics 10.6. So Rajiv, before we conclude, could you please share what would Aptar IT Analytics have in upcoming releases?
Absolutely. Apart from what we support different subsystems, and in our constant endeavor to add as many as subsystems as we see requirements from the field. Currently, we support any backup, any storage, and cloud. We are augmenting towards accelerated insights and predictive insights, leveraging AI ML techniques to give you solutions like the backup anomaly detection, storage forecasting, smart scheduling of Aptar, to name a few, and also getting into AI ops reporting and insights, which helps you for your operations for your entire IT environment.
This is wonderful, Rajiv, and thank you so much for sharing this information. So guys, stay tuned for more videos focused on Aptar IT Analytics 10.6. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.